Are you still managing ISO audits on Excel? Many certification bodies are, and this represents a hidden risk that can jeopardize your operations and compliance. The current reality is often fragmented and manual. Workflows are spread across multiple tools like Excel, email, and chat, leading to fragmented tools and a lack of real-time visibility. This fragmentation leads to significant risks, including audit failures, accreditation risks, compliance gaps, and operational inefficiency through lost hours and rework. This is a direct business risk. The good news is that it doesn't have to be this way. You can shift from a chaotic, manual system of disparate tools to a unified and automated platform like ISO SaaS for one platform, full automation, and built-in compliance. Introducing ISO Application, an end-to-end certification management platform. It is built specifically for certification bodies, is a multi-tenant SaaS solution, and covers the entire certification lifecycle. The platform manages the complete certification lifecycle, from initial client contact and CIF through to surveillance. It acts as a single source of truth, eliminating handoffs between stages. A core feature is the automated CIF and man-day engine. This provides auto man-day calculation, IAF-compliant logic, and eliminates manual errors, providing reproducible, audit-trailed results. Another core feature is smart auditor matching. This includes NACE and IAF code matching, qualification validation, and prevents wrong assignments by surfacing conflicts of interest and competence gaps automatically. ISO Application offers built-in compliance with ISO 17021. This is achieved through role-based access control, strict workflow approvals with no bypass, and immutable audit trail logging for every action. The real-time command center provides an audit tracking dashboard and client lifecycle visibility. Role-based insights ensure that CEOs see KPIs, coordinators see Qs, and auditors see their daily tasks. Achieve accreditation-ready reporting. With one-click audit files, full traceability of all records, and audit of auditors' readiness, you can be confident in every witness audit. ISO Application is more than just software. It's a growth engine. It delivers up to 80% operational efficiency, 100% compliance accuracy, and 10x scalability, allowing you to grow your schemes and regions without extra ops. ISO Application is purpose-built, not retrofitted. Unlike generic tools, our solution is designed around the certification body workflow, includes deep compliance logic, and provides end-to-end lifecycle coverage. The platform is built for serious certification bodies, offering flexible plans and scalable pricing. Enterprise-ready features such as SLAs and SSO are available for global certification bodies. The future of certification bodies is moving from manual and reactive to automated and intelligent. The future belongs to certification bodies that run on systems, not spreadsheets. See how ISO Application works for your organization in action. Book your 15-minute demo to see how we can work with your standards, scope, and scale.